Guineabot introduces its flagship product, Guinea, which they call the ultimate high-end forex trading bot. The company claims that success in fast-paced forex trading relies on precision and risk management, which Guinea delivers. This sophisticated bot is designed with advanced high-end algorithms to expertly navigate and manage risk even in highly unpredictable market conditions, achieving trades with remarkable accuracy and efficiency. Unlike traditional bots, Guinea specializes in inverse market trading to secure profits regardless of market direction. It utilizes sophisticated AI-powered algorithms and real-time data analysis to optimize every trade, establishing Guinea as an adaptive, intelligent, and relentless partner for achieving consistent profitability in automated trading. Its core characteristics include robust risk management via stop-loss and hedging strategies, lightning-fast execution, trading in milliseconds 24/7, autonomous trading requiring zero manual intervention, adaptive learning to dynamically adjust its strategy, and multi-currency support. Joining the Guineabot platform begins with a free registration. To activate the Guineabot and access its full income potential, there is a one-time bot activation fee of just $15. Activating the bot immediately opens up the potential to earn more than $10,930 through various mechanisms. Two immediate income streams are generated from this activation: a fixed $2 commission for every direct activation you sponsor, and entry into the bot activation global income plan. This global income is structured around a 4x4 matrix plan where participants can earn significant returns, though it is mandatory to maintain 4 or more direct sponsors. Guineabot provides a safety net. If your income from this matrix does not materialize within 300 working days, the company assures an additional $30 payment. The matrix system promises cumulative earnings across its steps, totaling $10,930. To utilize Guinea for live trading, users must establish a trading account with an investment plan starting at $50, often paired with a high multiplier or leverage factor, such as X50. In addition to trading profits, the platform is launching a native digital asset, the Guinea Coin, which they are distributing via a 100% free airdrop to participants. Full details and specifications regarding the Guinea Coin are scheduled to be released in the first quarter of 2026. Once the bot is actively trading, users generate a self-profit bonus based on the trading performance, which is stated to be between 0.3% to 1.25% daily, or 7% to 30% monthly. These trading profits are calculated and paid out only during the weekdays, Monday to Friday. Users can also earn a direct income of 5% commission on the investment or trading volume of any users they personally refer to the platform. The compensation plan is further augmented by a multi-tiered structure. The level income on ROI allows users to earn a percentage of their team's profits from up to 22 levels deep, with the commission percentage gradually decreasing from the highest levels down, and each level group requiring a specific number of new direct referrals to unlock. Furthermore, the Achieve Your Rewards program offers substantial financial bonuses based on achieving team performance ranks from VIP 1 to VIP 7. For instance, reaching the VIP 1 rank requires substantial team business volume, $2,000 in 2 strong legs and $2,000 in other legs, and is rewarded with $200. Subsequent ranks, like VIP 7, are achieved by cultivating 3 individuals of the immediately lower rank in your team and are rewarded with up to $200,000. Finally, the platform operates under a clear set of terms and conditions. All deposits and withdrawals must be processed only in USDT BEP20. Users can have only one package active at a time. Purchasing a new package automatically deactivates the previous one. A 10% admin charge is applied to all withdrawals, and the minimum withdrawal amount is 20 USDT. A crucial condition is the income cap. Working income is capped at 3x, 300% of the initial investment, while non-working income is capped at 2x, 200%. For more, you can connect with us in guineabot.io. Thank you.